Hi guys! So ito na yung dumating kay Kevlar Professional, yung price natin dun sa kwentong Kevlar. So tara, tingnan natin kung ano laman.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone, have you ever felt this way? Have you ever been
Yun no, meron tayong umbrella! Thank you Kevlar!
wanting to be erased? There's a reason.
Wow! Meron tayong t-shirt. Guys, t-shirt tsaka may kasama siyang bag, carry bag, and stickers. Wow, thank you Kevlar! Ang ganda. Okay. So ito yung part ng soundbar. Ito yung subwoofer niya. Yan. Kevlar Professional SBR 3500. Ang ganda. 2.1 channel soundbar with subwoofer. Grabe. Thank you Kevlar. Yun no. Okay guys. Ana. Kala ko meron pa. Guys. Kevlar Professional soundbar. 2.1 channel soundbar with subwoofer. SBR 3500. Wow.
You keep searching for a hero. You just
Ganda. Grabe, ganda. Ano pa siya, ano dito, Swiss stick. Yung logo ng Kevlar. Ganda. Yun, no? Wow! Ganda. Thank you, Kevlar. So, yung kasama niya, yung soundbar and subwoofer. Siyang manual and warranty paper. Tara, try natin testing. Okay guys, so yung speaker pala niya ay itong subwoofer. So passive type siya. Hindi mo na kailangan ng power dito. So ano lang siya, wire papunta dito sa pinaka-soundbar. So dito sa accessory bag niya, may remote, itong 3.5 na stereo jack.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone, have you ever felt this way? Have you ever been betrayed, labeled words you just can't say?
Tara, on natin. Dito para makita.
Wanting to be erased, there's a reason to believe again. When faith is nowhere to be found, try to find the strength to try.
Try natin Blackpink. Yun. Babaw, ganda.
성인처럼 미워하게 될걸 끝장을 보기 전 끝낼 순 없어 이 아픔을 기다린 것처럼
Thank you, Kevler. Dance. 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 Wow! Thank you, Kevler. Say bye-bye. Yay! No more na. Tapos na. Oh, bago nyo. Galing kay Kevler. Okay. Bye. Thank you for watching.